Welcome to Bonnet Pro. Are you looking for better performing, better smelling encapsulation products that you can use with any method, including hot water extraction? Order one of my supersized sample packs. In it, you can choose from a variety of different gallon-sized products, including Omega Citrus with AFT, which is neutral, it smells fantastic, and it cleans like you can't believe. It's a world-class product, and it's included in the supersized sample pack, along with other selections. You can choose from 2 different quart-sized products and 5 different specialty products, and all 3 come in the supersized sample pack. Plus, we'll give you a premium trigger for your Oxy spotter. This is only $43, and I'll give it to you with free shipping. Plus, you'll get a private invitation for Encapsulation Cleaners World on Facebook, where you can learn and share, and is a great place to spend time. Plus, we'll give you a 10% coupon for your next purchase, and a variety of other things. Come and see why so many professional carpet cleaners swear by Bonnet Pro. Once you buy my products, you too will realize why we're your best choice for encapsulation carpet cleaning. Come to Bonnet Pro today.